All right, students, I hope everybody has joined back. So yes, as I was mentioning about the event, right? Try to take out time and you must participate. Whatever, is interests you, rangoli making or poetry writing, right? Maybe poster making, something about which, shows how we are fighting coronavirus together. Right, helping each other. आपको even if you feel you're out of ideas, you can find a lot of ideas on social media. ठीक है. So okay, now enough of that. So now, and अगर आपको कोई भी doubt हो, right, you can text me, you can text Raman ma'am, right, किसी भी you can text Manisha ma'am. ठीक है, you can ask any of us अगर आपको कोई भी doubt है, कोई भी आपको problem आ रही है. So I'll just clarify. For now, I know only one student is allowed to, participate in one event. I'll clarify that in case there are any changes, we will inform you. ठीक है बेटा? Okay, so now moving further, I am going to now share the screen and we will first practice preposition. All right. So again, I would suggest कि आप maximum जितने आप answers दे सकते हो, give those answers in chat. ठीक है, इकट्ठे मतलब ऐसे नहीं है कि इन अ ग्रुप ओनली फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स आर रिप्लाइंग. ऑल ऑफ यू आर सपोज टू अटेम्प्ट दीज एट योर ओन एंड. ठीक है, बिकॉज इन द एग्जाम यू माइट नॉट गेट दैट luxury of asking your friends, right, or asking for help. ठीक है बेटा? Okay, so screen is visible to everyone. Prepositions वाली exercise. Yes or no? All right, so it is visible. That is good. Okay. So, okay, now she learned Russian dash the age of 45. Hanji bache, would be the answer? Okay, Harsimran says at. Shalini also agrees. ठीक है. Adijit also says at. Others, okay. So at would be the right answer, that she learned Russian at the age of 45. Now the book was written dash Mark Twain. So Adijit has replied by. Okay. So all of you are replying correctly. The answer is by, that the book was written by Mark Twain. I'll show you the picture dash the palace. Very good. Yes, yes. All of you are replying correctly. The answer would be of the palace. Right? So we can only get to the camp dash the foot. Hanji. By foot, right? So all of you agree that by foot, है ना? We travel by car, by bus. जब भी travel वाला कुछ ऐसे होता है, we can only get to the camp by foot. ठीक है? So by is used. He reminds me dash his old history teacher. Okay, you say about.
About.
See, he reminds me about नहीं होगा बेटा, he reminds me of होगा. So Amandeep, you are right. Ishant is also right. It would be of. Right? So Harsimran had also replied correctly. It would be he reminds me of. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना, remind me of. You remind me of my this. ठीक है? You remind me of that. So he reminds me of his old history teacher. What are you talking about? Yes, इधर अब about आ जाएगा. ठीक है, very good. So dash the end of next year, we will have made over 100,000 pounds. So dash the end of next year. Yes, you are right, Ishant. By the next by the end of next year, we will have made over so much of amount. ठीक है? She gets up early dash the morning and goes to bed late dash night. हाँ जी. Yes, in she gets up early in the morning and goes to bed late at night. Yes, you are right about that. तो बच्चे इन केस किसी को किसी पे भी कोई डाउट होता है ना, स्टॉप मी राइट देयर एंड आई विल क्लैरिफाई इट. ठीक है, अगर आपको अभी भी किसी पे कंफ्यूजन होती है कि मैम इधर ये वाला क्यों आया, व्हाई नॉट दिस, वी कैन डिस्कस दैट. आई वेंट टू वर्क डैश ट्यूसडे बट आई डिड नॉट गो डैश फ्राइडे. Okay, so I went to work on Tuesday, but I did not go. It would be again on. ठीक है? I went to work on Tuesday, but I did not go on Friday. So moving on to the next one, we have you will have to wait. He will be with you dash a minute. हाँ जी बच्चे. So we have moved on to the 10th sentence. What do you think about that? All right, he will be with you in a minute. Okay, 9 sentences. I went to work on Tuesday, but I did not go on Friday. जब हम one particular day की बात करते हैं ना बेटा, so we use on. That I went to work on Tuesday, but I did not go on Friday. Right? So इसके साथ on ही लगेगा. I will see you on Monday. ठीक है? I'll see you on Sunday. Okay. So 10th is he will be with you. Within a minute भी ठीक है. In a minute भी ठीक है. Right? So 11th. Now moving on to 11th. Philip waited. Yes, dash her at the movie theater. So you are right, Tamanna, Ishant, others. That he waited for. ठीक है, अजयजीत आपने भी correct reply किया. Then moving on. So this is clear, right? So he started learning English. Now see, one particular year is there, right? So he started learning English in 2005. ठीक है, इट वोंट बी सिंस, क्योंकि सिंस बेटा पता कहाँ पे आएगा, ही इज लर्निंग इंग्लिश डैश 2005, तो उसमें होगा कि ही इज लर्निंग मतलब समथिंग इज स्टिल गोइंग ऑन, तो उसमें हम आ जाएगा 2005 के साथ सिंस. ठीक है, ही स्टार्टेड लर्निंग इंग्लिश, तो इधर हम सिंपली इन 2005 लिखेंगे. ऑल राइट, सो नाउ वी मूव फर्दर. ऑल राइट, सो you have to pay dash the tickets on the day you order them. So Tamanna, you are correct that it would be for that you have to pay for the tickets, right? So Simmerpreet has also replied correctly. Same with Amandeep. So बच्चे don't worry if I skip your reply here because I get a lot of messages कई बार, तो वो किसी एक आधे का अगर मिस भी हो जाए, don't worry, that was not me ignoring your reply, वो सिर्फ मिस हो गया. ठीक है, otherwise whatever correct answer I say and if you also replied correctly, then all the very that was well done on all your part. ठीक है, so we are very proud dash this company, this would be of this company. ठीक है, so most of you have replied correctly. So moving further, it's very kind dash you to help us. So it's very kind, very good of you to help us. The old man suffered dash a heart attack. हाँ जी. So what would be the answer? So it would be from. Very right. So that was correct that the old man suffered from a heart attack. Please write dash pencil. हाँ, जब इस पे ना काफी confusion होती है, so I want to know what you think about this. Please write dash pencil. All right. See, it would be in pencil. Why? Yeah, please write in ink. Yeah, please write in. See, most of the times even I got confused at this one. We have heard please write with. ठीक है, write with the pencil, write with the pen. बट इधर ना ये वाली एक्सरसाइज में इसका सोल्यूशन दिया हुआ है इन पेंसिल. जैसे प्लीज राइट इन इंक आई हैव हर्ड. ठीक है, तो इधर इन पेंसिल मतलब आई वाज आल्सो कंफ्यूज, बट आई थिंक वील गो विद इन पेंसिल ओनली. राइट, जैसे इन इंक, प्लीज राइट इन इंक. So I think that going by that logic, it would make sense that please write in pencil. ठीक है बेटा. So moving further, it's dash time you told him the truth. हाँ जी, what about this one? So it's dash time you told him the truth. It would be it's about time you told him the truth. ठीक है. So moving further, the manager did not take part dash the discussion. So let me check what answers you have given. हाँ जी, the manager did not take part in the discussion. ठीक है, that would be correct. Moving further, he is very good dash telling jokes. हाँ जी, इसका आपको अगर याद हो मैंने आपको उसमें भी दिया था in your practice exercise. So yes, those of you who replied at, you are correct that he is very good at telling jokes. ठीक है, he is very good at mathematics. He is very good at this. He is very good at playing, whatever. Then moving further, I'll see you dash the conference. हाँ जी, so that is also correct. I'll see you at the conference. ठीक है बेटा, इधर ना at आएगा क्योंकि आप एक इवेंट की बात कर रहे हो. ठीक है, आप एक यहाँ इट वुड बी इवन अ लोकेशन. तो इधर I'll see you there. I'll see you at the conference. ठीक है. We sat down, dashed the grass and ate our lunch. हाँ जी, what about this one? Yes, you are right. We sat down on the grass and ate our lunch. All right. So my parents got married dash the 1970s. हाँ जी. Yes, you are right, all of you, that they got married in the 1970s. ठीक है. Now there's a good restaurant dash the end of the street. Yes, very correct. So that would be at the end of the street. All right. We usually have turkey dash Thanksgiving. You are correct. We usually have turkey for Thanksgiving. I would like to travel dash Italy next summer. हाँ जी, travel के साथ usually what do we say? I would like to travel to Italy, right? So it would be to here. I took a plane dash Munich to Rome. हाँ जी, very careful with this one. Yes, you are right. It would be from Munich to Rome. ठीक है. अब मैं इधर हो सकता है कि I took a plane for Munich. क्यों? क्योंकि आपने आगे अगर ध्यान से नहीं पढ़ा. So if you read the whole sentence carefully, from Munich to Rome, to would tell you कि इधर from आएगा, right? So I would like to speak dash the manager please. हाँ जी, what would be the answer for this one? So very true, that very correct, that is correct, that I would like to speak to the manager. I don't usually feel tired dash the morning. हाँ जी, so everybody agrees it would be in the morning. All right, so Pardeep, Arun, Harkamal, you have replied correctly. My mother is abroad, so my dad is taking care dash us dash the moment. हाँ जी, very good. So he is taking care of us at the moment, right? Sonja gets dash the 7 o'clock bus in the morning. So dash Sonja gets dash the 7 o'clock bus in the morning. इसका answer would be gets by the 7 o'clock bus in the morning, right? I think it was, yes, it was by only, because this was a new sentence for me as well. She always looks dash herself in the mirror. हाँ जी बच्चे, what about this one? She always looks at herself in the mirror, right? I met Donna dash a party dash Friday night. So yes, that is correct, that I met Donna at a party on Friday night, right? जैसे हमने बोला था ना कि वी आई सी यू एट द कॉन्फ्रेंस, सिमिलरली आई मेट डोना एट अ पार्टी ऑन फ्राइडे नाइट. ठीक है. माई फ्रेंड ऑलवेज बोरोज मनी डैश मी. हाँ जी, वॉट अबाउट दिस वन? Yes, Manav, Rushant, Ishant, you are correct. From me, that would be borrowing money from someone. Right? We borrow something from someone. So Daria's books are lying dash the floor. On the floor, very right. So he arrived at the school building just dash time. So just on time. ठीक है. What? इधर बेटा नाउ ना, इधर जस्ट इन टाइम भी हो सकता है, ऑन टाइम भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. अब व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू? You know, when you are arriving somewhere in time, which that means you are arriving before the time that was given. Let's say अगर 9 a.m. is your college time, ठीक है. If you are arriving well in time, that means you are arriving before 9. ठीक है. If you are arriving on time, that would mean you are arriving right at 9 a.m. ठीक है. तो टाइम के साथ ऑन एंड इन दोनों वर्क करते हैं. इन का मतलब है कि आप थोड़ा सा टाइम से पहले हो. ऑन का मतलब है बिल्कुल उसी टाइम पे पहुंचे हो. ठीक है जी. So the audience threw tomatoes dash him. That would be at him, right? On him क्योंकि उसके ऊपर फेंक दिए, वो हिंदी में हो जाता है. ठीक है. तो इंग्लिश में it is you threw something at someone. All right. Passengers are not allowed to use cell phones dash airplanes. हाँ जी, very good. In airplanes. He is responsible dash what he does. Very right. Tajinder has answered correctly. Arun has answered correctly. Gurjot has also answered correctly for what he does. I am sorry dash the job you did not get. हाँ जी, so I think it would be for the job you did not get. See, I also got confused with this one. इसका make sure we check the solution, right? 40th. So I am very bad dash mathematics. Very good. So some of you are getting the drift. जैसे हमने बोला था ना, she is very bad at this, he is very good at telling jokes. So इधर भी I am very bad at mathematics. We had to climb slowly dash the hill. अब हम climb कैसे करते हैं? ऊपर को करते हैं, right? So yes, that is correct. We had to climb slowly up the hill, right? Now he is always dash time. So he is always on time. Very good. How many people are dash your team? All right. So how many people are in your team? See, अब इसका भी ना there was a confusion. So I also checked it. Let me show it to you. So इधर देखिए. Right? अब इसमें क्या है? You know, when we say on a team, that means being a member of a team. Right? In a team means being in place with others for the purpose of working together. So the 6 horses were harnessed together in a team. ठीक है. As a team means working with others to accomplish something. तो इधर ना बेटा on your team would be more appropriate. Right? अच्छा, वैसे ये भी है कि American speakers say on a team and British speakers say in a team. ठीक है. So both would be correct. बट ऑन अ टीम व्हेन वी आस्क आर यू ऑन हिज टीम, तो हम ऑन बोल देते हैं. इनमें होता है कि जैसे इधर ये वाला एग्जांपल दिया कि दे वर हार्नेस टुगेदर इन अ टीम, राइट. So I think to clear the confusion, on and in both would work. All right. So let's go back to our exercise. All right. So we were here, right? Now a university is where you study dash a degree. For a degree. You are right. Her next birthday will be dash a Sunday. All right. So you got my point that her next birthday will be on a Sunday. The new factory is expected to go online dash May. So I think in May would be more appropriate, right? However, your suggestions that would go online by May, in some circumstances that might also be correct. We'll check the solution for this one. So many of us eat dash fork and spoon. Yes, with fork and spoon. We have been searching dash a web designer for a few weeks now. Very good. So we have been searching for a web designer for a few weeks now. The TV is dash the corner of the room. What about this one? Very good, in the corner of the room. So here are the solutions, right? So yes, they have also written, please write in pencil. Okay, he is very good at telling jokes. See you at the conference. So एक हमें और किसका था? Okay, so I'm sorry about the job you did not get, right? So those of you who replied about, you were correct. So even I got confused about this one. So it is, I'm sorry about the job you did not get, right? So for a degree on a Sunday, it will go online in May. ठीक है, और बेटा किसी में कोई कंफ्यूजन तो नहीं थी? Oh, so here also it is she gets on the 7 o'clock bus in the morning, right? So I think I was saying it should be by, but that won't be correct. It is on. So make sure we don't get this wrong, that she gets on the 7 o'clock bus in the morning. So any other doubt? I think so. You know, this exercise was quite varied, that it covered almost all the concepts which we had done in the prepositions class. All right. So now we will be. Please stop sharing first. अच्छा 31st वाला, let's see. अच्छा बेटा, because here you know we are talking about that she gets on the 7 o'clock bus in the morning, कि वो 7 o'clock वाली बस को लेती है, मतलब वो उससे ट्रैवल करती है, ठीक है. So here yes, by won't make sense क्योंकि इधर gets आ गया. Had it been you know she travels by, तो travels के साथ हम by लगा देते हैं. अब she gets, तो यहाँ पे gets आया ना, तो इसके साथ on आएगा. She gets on the, or it could also be you know she gets on the 7 o'clock train to reach her office. ठीक है, it is more to do with के यहाँ पे verb कौन सा use हुआ है. So any other doubt, Harkamal? That was fine. Anybody else? Any doubt? If you want, I'll share this exercise with you. Should I send this document to you as well? PDF है, इसमें साथ में solutions दिए हुए हैं, right? I think this is a good idea for confusion. You can mark the ones where you get confused, and you can just revise those before you attempt your exam. ठीक है? All right. So अभी हम articles की exercise देख लेते हैं. Right. So I had found few exercises. Okay, beta, screen is visible to everybody. Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. So now suggest me, please pass me dash bread. A and the इनमें से
The
the bread, very good. Let's see. My father has dash headache. All right. So most of you are saying has a headache. We would go with A. She is dash attractive woman. All right. So everybody agrees that it should be an. There are many stars in dash sky. Okay,
the
wonderful. Right. That would be in the sky. They had dash an idea. All right. So most of you agree that it would be an idea. Madrid is dash capital of Spain. Very good. So I think you're comfortable with articles now, right? Do you have dash pet? I think I almost spoke the answer, right? So whales live in dash sea. So इधर I hope अब जैसे ना you don't need to remember the rules. I think आपको उससे flow से sentence से पता चल रहा है कि क्या आना चाहिए, isn't it? There is dash fly in my soup.
uh,
Very good. And I had dash orange juice for lunch. All
and
right. And would be correct. Now let's check. Very well done, class. ठीक है, आपके सारे सही हुए हैं. So I am sure articles में you won't do a mistake, right? एक और फटाफट quick exercise कर लेते हैं, then we can move on to subject verb agreement. So this is dash Atlantic Ocean. So what would be here? This is dash Atlantic Ocean.
the
The very good. That is dash good place.
uh,
Okay, everybody agrees? Right. Have you ever seen dash alien? All right, everybody agrees that it should be an. Is dash sun shining today? The very good. क्योंकि we did talk about कि sun एक unique है, right? Single sun है, तो उसके साथ भी the लगता है. I can't play dash piano.
the
All right. Sarah has dash new boyfriend. Okay. Where are dash toilets, please? This one is easy. Notice that toilets है, S है पीछे. So yes. And तो cancel out हो गया, right? Very good. A भी नहीं आ सकता क्योंकि यहाँ पे S है. She is dash actress. Students, there was just a brief interruption in the network, right? We'll just quickly get back to what we were doing. So where were we? ठीक है, हाँ जी, she is dash actress. हाँ जी बच्चे, so yes, it would be she is very good an actress. Who was dash best footballer? All right, I hope everybody agrees with the Mallorca is dash island. And very good. Now let's check. Very good. Well done. So if we were in class, I would have clapped for you, all right? So I am confident that you can tackle the questions about articles, all of you, right? Anybody has any confusion? किसी में कोई भी confusion है? I hope not.
No,
ठीक है
ma'am.
बेटा? So by now I think you can get the drift from the sentence itself के A and the तीनों में से कौन सा आएगा, ठीक है? किसी किसी में I think confusion होती है, बाकी तो they were pretty simple. So I think now since we are left with less time, let's quickly take a look at subject verb agreement. This is more important and this tends to be more confusing. So yes, now we have to choose the correct form. His pants dash torn during the match. हाँ जी, what would be the answer? So what would be the answer out of these? Better screen.
Was.
हाँ,
Was.
you would say was. What about the others?
Ma'am was.
Okay, so
Ma'am
confusion
was.
and were में. Nobody is for voting for were. चलो was
Were.
करते हैं. See, it is were. देखो बेटा pants है ना, जैसे pants, scissors, right, tweezers, माई हेयर. हेयर को नो डाउट हम पीछे एस नहीं लगाते, बट उनको भी हम प्लूरल कंसिडर करते हैं. माई हेयर फील ऑयली टुडे या माई हेयर आर ऑयली टुडे. माई हेयर इज नहीं होता. सिमिलरली पैंट्स चाहे आपको होगा चीज एक है पर पीछे एस लग रहा है ना, तो इसको भी हम प्लूरल कंसिडर करते हैं, राइट? सिमिलरली सिजर्स को वी कंसिडर प्लूरल. ऑल राइट. So some nouns are always considered as a plural noun, like pants in this sentence, and the main verb here is in past form, so the auxiliary verb should be in plural and past form, right? So moving further, Aaron together with his wife dash the guests of the party.
Greece.
All right, very good. तो इधर भी व्हाट इज द ट्रिक के एरन इज द सब्जेक्ट, राइट? तो ये तो साथ में एक फ्रेज लग रहा है, इसीलिए टुगेदर विद के साथ जो भी कनेक्ट होते हैं ओनली द नाउन बिफोर इट विल अफेक्ट द वर्ब. तो एरन विल अफेक्ट कौन सा वर्ब यूज होगा? तो सिमिलरली एरन, एरन सिंगल है तो ग्रीट. See, decade means 10 years. A period of 10 years is called a decade. Right? So we did encounter a decade somewhere. Now again very careful. Tweezers dash always useful to handle small objects.
Is.
R.
R. चलो, very good. Again ये tweezers same as pants वाला example, right? The jury dash not convinced.
Would.
Might.
Okay, the jury might not convinced.
Was.
तो नहीं बनेगा.
Was.
So most of the people
मैं was.
with was. अब इधर क्या है बेटा? Jury भी ना, no doubt it's a collective noun, but it is also considered a singular subject, right? तो इसको हम single ही consider करेंगे, ठीक है बेटा? So this is the trick here. जैसे the team was in high spirits after they won the match. अब team तो collective noun है, team में more than one people are there, but one person is there. However, we consider it a one single verb, right? The truthful dash always trustworthy.
Is.
Okay, so let's check if it is. The truthful are. अब इसमें क्या explanation है? The subject of the sentence is an adjective which started with the, so the verb will always be plural in this kind of situation. Okay, अब इधर ये पता कौन सा logic है? जैसे वो नहीं था the honest are always this, क्योंकि जो the truthful dash always trustworthy, तो truthful में ना हम collective बात कर रहे हैं of about a lot of people who are truthful, right? So it is कि the truthful people are always trustworthy की जगह हमने सिर्फ the truthful लिखा है short में, इसलिए इसके साथ भी R आएगा. To cry dash never the solution to any problems. Very good. To cry is never the solution to any problems. A number of soldiers dash injured during the war.
Were.
Very good. A number of soldiers were injured during the war. The number of diseased soldiers dash not stored in the record book.
Were.
I think is not stored in the, are not stored, is not stored in the, इसका क्या है, द डिजीज सोल्जर्स इज अकम्पनीड बाय द नंबर ऑफ विच मेक्स इट सिंगुलर। तो इधर बेटा बात पता क्या है, द नंबर ऑफ सोल्जर्स, कि ये नंबर इज नॉट बीइंग स्टोर्ड, ठीक है। तो इधर जो सब्जेक्ट है ना दैट इज नंबर। अब आप इसको ऊपर वाले के साथ कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे, तो उधर क्या है, अ नंबर ऑफ सोल्जर्स वर इंजर्ड ड्यूरिंग द वॉर, इधर ये द नंबर आ गया, ठीक है। ये डिफरेंस इसमें दोनों में ये चीज है। वो यूजुअल बात हो रही है कि बहुत सोल्जर्स इंजर हुए वॉर में, इधर है कि द नंबर ऑफ डिजीज सोल्जर्स, जो ये नंबर था, दिस नंबर वॉज नॉट स्टोर्ड इन द record book। तो ये नंबर तो एक सिंगुलर है ना, तो इसलिए इधर इज आएगा। A pack of lions dash approaching the camp. Now we have to be careful with this one, क्योंकि again जैसे जूडी वाला क्वेश्चन था ना, सेम है। All right, let's check. You are right. So a pack of lions is also considered as a singular noun. So the verb should be singular. So I think it is almost time for our class to end, right? पर वो इधर टाइमर आ नहीं रहा, because at 12 your break starts. So we'll quickly finish this exercise and then I'll end the class. I think जैसे वो बीच में connection हुआ था ना, so the class might have resumed. Killing dash not always considered a bad thing. All right. So most of you agree that it should be was. Very good. क्योंकि अब killing जो हमने बात की थी ना, इधर it is acting more as a noun. जब verb ज्यादा noun का रोल करता है ना, तो उसको हम gerund कहते हैं, right? तो इसके साथ हम singular verb form ही use करेंगे। There dash many difficulties regarding the situation. Very good. So there were many difficulties regarding.
there were
Here dash the tomb of Albert Einstein. हाँ जी, very good. Here lies the tomb
lies
of Albert Einstein. Either she or her friends dash responsible for this accident.
is an
R, right?
is easier
अरे
और मैम
हाँ, पता कैसे है, देखो इधर और वाले जो है ना सेंटेंस,